Hi, my dear buddies. Nice to meet you all. I think this is the first class for us. So, in the first class itself, we are going to see the poem part. First, we have to know about what is the title of the poem. So, the title of the poem was Mending Wall. Mending Wall. This poem was written by Robert Frost. This poem was written by Robert Frost. Who is he? He is an American poet. He is an American poet, and most of his poem depicts his rural life and the landscape of his country. Most of his poem about the rural life and landscape of his country. So, what all the poems did he wrote means he wrote that Road Not to Take many poems he wrote. So before that, going to the poem, we have to see the theme of this poem. So first of all, I want to ask one question to you. Suppose if your father or mother just have a transferred. So he has a transferred means you just come to the place and you come to the new place. I think, is it or not? You have to come to the new place. Yes. So in the new place, you are all very well versed about the new place. Is it? No. So the first time we have some shivering. So where is the shop? Where is the milkman? That's all. We are having some little bit confusion. So first what we will do? We will help from others. First of all, we have to good relationship with our neighbors. Is it or not? So like a way in this poem also, here our poet Robert Frost has one neighbor. So what are the struggles he faced? What are the struggles? What are the problems of these two persons? So that's the main theme of this poem. Before that, we want to see the characters. So who are the characters means the speaker. Who is the speaker means the speaker is our poet itself, here speaker. So the next person is neighbor. The next person is neighbor. So the characters' names are speaker as well as the neighbor. Speaker means the poet only. Yes, you understood the character's name first? Yes. Next, this poem is about a stone wall. This poem is about a stone wall that separates the speaker's property from his neighbors. In ancient days at all, you just ask your grandmother or grandfather, you just ask this, the farmers land, before that they will put a one fence. Fence means, what is the meaning for fence means? That separates their land. It makes this separates their lands. So that's the meaning for fence. Here also the poet's land and the farmer's lands, in between there had be a one fence. So this poem is about a stone wall that separates the speaker's property from his neighbors. Okay, so in this poem, every year they want to repair their fence. Every year they want to repair their fence because of some struggling problems. They want to repeatedly do this same activity. So this makes our poet the waste of time. This makes our poet waste of time. Why we want to, every year we want to make this fence repair. So why we have to rebuild? What is the purpose of this fence? What is the reason why we want to keep this fence? There is no use. Every year it makes the waste of time only. So this time the neighbor and the speaker wants to discuss about this, why we want to need this fence. That's the thing. This happens in the poem. So mending, already I said what's the meaning for mending means repairs that need to be done to the wall. Repairs that need to be done to the wall. Is it clear? Yes. So in this poem we are having 46 lines. In this poem we are having 46 lines, but this poem is a blank verse. So why we are saying the blank verse means because there is no stanzas. It's like a line by line only. There is no stanza wise. So we are having 46 lines. This is a memory poem. First 8 lines you are having as a memory poem. So please listen this video, and just you having any doubt means just clear that also. So first of all we will move on to the poem. First time I am going to read the lines, then I am going to explain to you. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Something there is that does not love a wall. Something there is that does not love a wall, that sends the frozen ground swell under it and spills the upper boulders in the sun and makes gaps even 2 compass abreast. Okay, so the first 4 lines, what they are telling means, our poet what he is telling means, in the first line itself he strongly indicates that he does not love a wall, that he does not love a wall. For example, I am asking, do you all like walls? Do you all like walls? Yes, I think we are all like walls, because we are not feel good means what we will stand with the help of the support, of the wall we will stand, is it or not? But here our poet does not love a wall. So for that, how nature itself does not like a wall and sends disaster upper boulders down, that's the nature itself against the wall existence. So in the first line itself they are saying that nature itself against the wall existence. Okay, so here the first line, something there is that does not love a wall, that sends the frozen ground swell under it. So he had a doubt. So every year it makes the reply. So what is the reason? How it comes? First he had a doubt on about the groundwater. So why he has a doubt means something it causes destroying the place, because of that American's climate it was the frozen, the ground swell under it and it makes the collapse, and this this stone walls are meant for the frozen ground swell. So this is the line he is explained. And the next line, and spills the upper boulders in the sun, and spills the upper boulders. Boulders means, what's the meaning for boulders means, it's a huge rock. Okay, a huge rock we can say no. So that's the meaning for boulders. And spills the upper boulders in the sun and makes gaps even 2 can pass abreast. Through this mending the stone wall, even 2 person itself go inside that wall, inside the wall. So what's the purpose? In every year we are just making and arranging the stone walls. It's continuously comes repaired only. So why we want to keep this fence here? So he had a doubt about the frozen ground swell first. The next 4 lines, the work of hunters is the another thing. The first one, he had a doubt about the frozen ice because of the American climate. It was fully frozen. No, the ice was very frozen. So due to this frozen only, it makes the cause of this collapse. So the next one, he had a doubt about the hunters. So what's the meaning for hunters? You know that. Yes. The works of hunters is another thing. I have come after them and made repair where they have left not one stone on a stone, but they would have the rabbit out of hiding. Okay, the second, he had a doubt about hunters. So why they had made a hunters means, in that mending the stone wall, the rabbits can live in the holes. It's a come out along the rabbits means the hunters makes the dogs to eat the rabbits. So what is the use of this? While we are arranging these stones, this is useful for the hunters only. This is not useful for us. So so only he does not love a wall. So only he does not love a wall, because this is helpful for the hunters only, not for us. So this is the first stanza and second stanza. So sorry, this is not a stanza, this is like a line. So these 8 lines you are having as a memory poem. Is it clear what I am saying? Yes? So the next line, to please the helping dogs, the cats I mean. No one has seen them made or heard them made, but at shining spring mending time we find them there. I let my neighbor know beyond the hill. So what these lines mentions means, here they are using the helping dogs. Helping means, what is the meaning for helping means, that is a screaming. So there is having a gaps to sit the rabbits and the dogs inside the holes. No one has seen them made or hear them made. So what they are mentioning means, so that no one can see why this holes can appear in this wall. So no one can see, no one can hear about how this holes made. So but at spring mending time we find them there. But how they will finally find them where this hole was happened? So how they will find means, in the spring time only the narrator, the speaker and the neighbor is seeing that hole. I let my neighbor know beyond the hill. So that time only the neighbor and the speaker, the both persons are discussing about this holes, what we can do. The poet Robert Frost does not love the walls, So the next line we can see, and on a day we meet to walk the line. And on a day we meet to walk the line. And set the wall between us once again. And set the wall between us once again. So what they are telling means, in these 2 lines they had meet each other. Through the walking they are meeting each other. And what we will do for this fence? Suppose we have to rearrange or rebuild this wall. So otherwise this poet is saying, is just convincing the neighbors. He is just convincing the neighbors, we have to destroy this fence. What is the need for this fence? There is no use. So just we will destroy this wall. So the next line, we keep the wall between us we go to each the boulders that have fallen to each. So we keep the wall between us we go. So what here the poet mentions means, so using this fence only we have make us a privacy. So only he is using, we keep the wall between us we go. To each the boulders that have fallen to each. Already I said what is the meaning for boulders. Boulders means that is the huge rock, and some are loose and some so nearby balls. So each stone has a different size and shape. So what the size of this means, one stone is like a round shape and the other stone is like a different shape. So each stone has a different size and shapes, and we have to use a spell to make them balance. Stay where you are until our backs are turned. We wear our fingers rough with handling them oh, just another kind of outdoor games. Here, the sweetly our poet explains this. What does that mean? He is saying we are playing the outdoor games. Outdoor games means you know that volleyball we are playing no ma. So like this, we are playing. We are means here speaker and the neighbor is playing this volleyballs or outdoor games. So why he is mentioning like this means in the outdoor games we are using the net no. So the net is compared to the fence. The net is compared to the fence. So this side the opposition side is neighbor. This side the poet. So in between the having a net no more. So the net is mentioned as a fence. The net is mentioned as a fence. So these are the lines today we will see. So in the next class we will see in the remaining lines. So totally we are having 46 lines. So this class we will see up to this outer games. The next class we will see the remaining lines. Thank you. Bye bye.